equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off the Lenovo ThinkPad 590 and unplug it. Remove the battery for safety. Next, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. Carefully unscrew them using your screwdriver. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious not to damage the clips. Now, check the screen connections. Disconnect the old screen by carefully unplugging the cable. Before installing the new screen, clean the internal area with a microfiber cloth. This ensures no dust affects the display. Connect the new screen, ensuring a secure fit. Reattach the bezel by pressing it back into place and securing it with screws. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Lenovo ThinkPad 590 will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.